How to add song in WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So, adding songs in WhatsApp status simply means expressing your moods through songs in a creative way. So, simply, you need to note that WhatsApp doesn't have built-in feature where you can add songs or videos or photo. So, we'll need to use another app like Instagram or TikTok. So from TikTok or Instagram, you simply need to take any kind of video with song that you'd like and then open WhatsApp application. Sign into your account and tap on updates at the bottom of the screen. Select my status at top of the screen and add that particular video with a song. Or simply what you can do at the bottom of the screen, you will find photo or video option. Simply you can choose video and easily play any song on your laptop or PC or any other devices and take a video with that song. Or you can upload with the folders that you have on your device as well. Once you select the video with song, you can easily insert different kinds of text, pictures, or stickers and add a caption as well and have the arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen and you will easily add song in your WhatsApp status. So that is it for today. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.